Kai.
Siksik na siksik siya, guys.
IDs lang yan.
Nasa umataw, tapos may mga
IDs
points
lang
points.
You know what? I have like 10 lip products here. I have a hairbrush.
Alam ko malaki din yung alcohol.
Hi guys!
Hi Luxers! Welcome back to my vlog. And of course, we're with Miss Sarah Labati and hindi natin pinalagpas yung chance na to. Siyempre, mag-grade si Sarah. I'm so excited na guys kung ano bang laman ng bag niya kasi
Ang liit ng bag ko, no?
super.
This is what I call the mom bag as a soccer mom. A mom of two, I'm always on the go. I need to be able to put everything in my bag. Kaya ganyan siya ka.
So this is AAY's Women Eye Care Maxi Shopping Bag. Pero kung titingnan ko siya, kung hindi ko nakita yung logo, Luxers, akala ko Chanel. Kanina nung nakatalikod. Kasi sa likod wala siyang hardware. Yan, wala siyang brand sa likod. So it looks like a Chanel bag talaga. And grabe. Grabe. Ano ba naman yan? Oh my
Yung
God.
bahay namin nandito na.
Si Zion.
Si Zion, si Kai. And show naman your
Okay.
everyday.
This is my Chanel. One of my bag investment na parang feeling ko hindi ko siya talaga inanap.
Oh.
Kasi ang hirap na, ang mahal na. Alam niyo yan guys.
And
Diba?
it's such a classic color. You can wear it with any outfit, day or
Yes.
night. No?
So this is one of my favorite bags. So punta na tayo sa laman niya.
I always invest on big bags because kailangan dyan lahat ng, like when I'm with the kids, I need their sunscreen, their
Kasi
wipe,
very
whatever.
hands-on ka din with your kids,
Yeah,
diba?
for
Palagi
sure.
nakikita.
If I'm not home, I'm at work, but most of the time, I'm at home. So if we're outside, kailangan talaga ganito yung size. And I got this from Amber and Aqua from my friend Bella, who started her luxury business also recently. Okay, shall we start?
Yes!
First and foremost, can't live
Oh.
without my Lux Skin wipes. Syempre kailangan we're clean and always disinfect your hands, so this is a must.
Meron din ako yan.
There you go.
Yes, guys. Palagi yung ilagay sa mga bag mo. Kasi maraming pwede mangyari. Pwede ma-stain yung bag mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, pwede mo na itong gamitin. So, kapag nag-restroom kayo or bago kayo kumain, especially kung wala kayong dalang alcohol, so this is a perfect opportunity.
Next, my wallet.
It's a Louis Vuitton na long wallet. And grabe, siksik na siksik siya, guys.
IDs lang yan.
Nasa umataw, tapos may mga
IDs
points
lang
points.
I don't know why I have to. Oh, this is charts. Naiwan yung chart dito during our designs tournament. But I always have extra sunglasses in my bag. This one's my favorite.
It's a Dior.
It's my go-to.
Kasama. Yeah, I love it. Very, diba guys, very Sarah.
Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang lotion natin.
Mahilig ka mag-camping, palagi kayo nasa gubat.
Sa gubat, but with my Lux Skin lotion. Siyempre, we don't want to have skin damage. So important to put sunscreen on your face, on your body, para we don't wake up one day with freckles, diba?
Yes. True. Oo nga, wala kang freckles. Wala siyang freckles, guys. Ang clear.
Next is my little makeup pouch. Eye drops. Whenever I get a, syempre,
Headache.
headache. So when you have a headache, you want to put some peppermint, eyebrow stuff, lip gloss. You know what? I have like 10 lip products here.
Okay lang kahit ano na yung nasa
Yeah,
loob.
they
Ayun na
have
yun.
lipstick,
Alam mo na kung ano yung nasa
gloss,
loob.
pang retouch when you're out. Tissue, snack. I usually have chocolate bars here for the kids, but my favorite scent right now from Mariado. It's very fresh,
Ito ko kanina, tapos yung spray.
floral, fresh, and your reason.
Bit na.
And then, of course, I have a bag of masks for the whole family. Or minsan, may kasama ka, your friends, you're out. Oh, I forgot my mask. Well, I got you covered.
Parang siyang Girl Scout.
Lahat ng size. May small, medium, large. May nude, may blue, may black, may white.
Diba? Ang sarap ng kasama. Kasi kahit wala na kayong dala, siya na lang.
This comes with the YSL tote. It's this little
Akala ko siya na
bag
ulit.
where you can put
Mga
passports, ball pens. This is another LV envelope.
May initials siya, Luxers. Yung initials niya, Sarah Labati Gutierrez.
So this was, I think, an invitation for Fashion Week show, and it came in this little cute envelope where I put in receipts. Oh, another perfume. I love this one also.
Alam mo, meron din akong ganito. Akala ko lipstick siya. Yung pala perfume. Kasi, di ba,
It's so handy.
titignan mo.
Okay sa kanya, like when you run out of it, pwede mo na lang siyang refill.
Chanel.
Okay, since again, I'm always out and about with the kids, citronella.
Para sa lamang.
Yeah.
Mosquito, syempre. Yung mga mommies talaga, medyo ano yan, pagdating sa kids, talagang protective. Kailangan huwag madapuan ng damo.
Alcohol, no alcohol from the pencil. Have a hairbrush.
Alam ko malaki din yung alcohol.
Hair tie, power bank.
Parang hindi naubos yun yun.
Vaccine card, my phone. Up next, gum. Siyempre, dapat fresh ang breath all the time.
Nasa bulsa na tayo, guys.
Okay, for the time of the month. Alam niyo na yan.
Siyempre, kailangan ready. Alam mo yung ready ka sa ibang bagay, pero pagdating dun sa period mo, hindi ka ready.
It's like, surprise! And then, syempre, we don't want to have oily skin, so oil control,
Nothing
film,
paper.
card holders.
Ang dami mong card holder. Ay, parang hindi mo naubos yung cards mo. Ang dami
So,
yung cards na dito, guys.
I think these are also some of our travel cards. Our Swiss cards, our Filipino cards, and then
Tapos may extra ba siyang dalawa?
credit cards, and then
IDs.
Earphones. Hindi ako naglalast nun sa AirPods. I always lose my AirPods, so this is me. I love this. It's reliable. You never lose it. It comes
Kasi
in one
isa,
piece.
walang wire, hindi mo malaman kung saan mo na ilagay, madali
Yeah.
siyang mawala.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
So I'm very organized with kids, with chart, with the house. But when it comes to my things, medyo magulo siya. So I need to like, have things na I don't have to think about. Baka mawala yung isa. This is like simple things that are important. Eye drops because
May eye drops ka na dun sa ano, di ba? Sa isang
Yes.
pouch mo kanina.
I just got an eye surgery at Asian Eye. I got ICL, implantable contact lenses, wherein they insert contacts. I can do LASIK kasi I have dry eyes. And now it's much, much better. Kasi before talagang I would rub non-stop and blink. I don't know if it's a weird thing, but I just keep blinking so many times. And then extra leaf stick for kung sino namok or whatever. Girl Scouts, Strepsil. Grabe, Mercury Drugstore.
Ang
Nandito
mga
din.
resibo.
Receipts, more lip gloss, and then... Okay, that's pretty much it. That's it.
Ang daming naman, makakaloka Luxers. To imagine, bit-bit-bit na yan every time na lumalabas siya. Paano pa pagkakasama mo yung kids?
So I
Mas marami
add,
kang
I
dala.
add their snack, I add wipes, I add their shirt. That's it. Mas bumibigat siya ng very light. Pero in
So dito mo na rin
fairness,
siya nilalagay?
yes. Pero grabe, ang laki ng space
Oo
niya.
nga eh. Tsaka alam mo yun, ganun ka lang ng ganun. Hindi ka kahirapan kasi wala siyang zipper, wala siyang lock.
Yeah.
Kuha ka lang, lagay, kuha. Very accessible yung gamit inside.
Yeah.
Unlike na kung magbabag ka ng malaki, pero alam mo yung ang
Madaming
daming
zipper.
Oo, madaming zippers. Minsan hassle din kasi.
Yeah.
Kung alam mo naman na hindi ka naman mananakawan dun sa pupuntahan mo.
Yeah. I actually, before, meron akong mga bags na puro zippers, but when you look for things, parang ang hirap. Ito, parang damputin mo na lang. Yung sana.
Kulang ka na lang ng organizer inside.
Kitchen.
Para ano, yung mga
Organize
maliliit,
your little
yung
things.
mga maliliit mong gamit.
Thank you.
Mas makita mo agad sila dyan. Kasi minsan ganun ka, di ba, kalugog ka.
True.
Asan na ba yun? Asan na ba yun?
There you go.
Well, guys, may aabangan kayo. Sarah, ilalat go din ilan sa mga bags niya and shoes. Meron din, right?
Shoes.
So, abangan nyo yan, guys.
Yes.
Kanina nag-usap na kami. Excited na rin ako.
I'm excited to declutter. I believe it's important. Syempre, hindi pwedeng puro shop. Kailangan you make space for your closet. Also, it's nice pag organized yung bahay mo, yung closet. You
Pero
think
nag-declutter
more
ka na ba before
clearly.
na?
Yes. During the pandemic, nung ang dami nating time at home, I was decluttering, pero now parang, syempre, back to normal, back to work, you're investing on clothes for work, bags for whatever, shoes for work, for shoots. I just felt like it's time to declutter again and let go of things that have served me well but don't have space anymore in my closet. I'm
Sino yung
excited.
nadadagdag din?
Correct.
Minsan talaga hindi mapigilan na may madagdag.
Baka may magustuhan na pa sa shop.
Oh, ayan pa. Diba? Huwag natin siyang pigilan
Sa
na may
shop niyo.
magustuhan.
Luxers!
Bilhin nyo agad, guys, yung mga ile-let go ni Sarah. And for sure, those bags din, talagang minahal mo din. Alam mo yun?
Oh, yeah. Syempre,
tagal mo din sila.
from hard work, when you work hard and you get to buy like little pieces that you love and use on a daily basis, parang may yan pa rin, meaningful side to it.
May sentimental value
correct.
talaga. So, ayan, excited na ako. Siyempre ako una makakakita, diba? So ako muna unang pipili, guys.
Wow!
Siyempre, kailangan meron akong remembrance from Sarah.
Magtira ka naman.
Oo naman,
Luxers.
isa lang. Hindi pwedeng, hindi natin pwedeng damihan kasi may B na nakabantay. So there you go, Luxers. Ayan, Sarah, grabe. Very, ano mo yun, ang hirap minsan tumabi kay Sarah kasi sobrang ganda.
Grabe naman. Thank you naman kay Ante Abuela sa makeup artist na.
Lux Skin Beauty and Luxers. And sabi ko nga, I'm so happy din and thankful kay Sarah cause I know na she's really using the products. So kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa mga pinopost niya, the videos, the reels na talagang pinaghihirapan niya, guys. Kita niyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung mga ina-upload niya na mga photos and videos. Lahat yun, sabi niya, talagang pinaghihirapan niya talaga. Yan. Happy ako kasi ano na natin again, na-extend yung pagsasamahan namin, guys, with Lux Skin, of course. And ayun na nga, abangan nyo guys yung aming layout, the project na
Bagong photoshoot.
ano bang ano doon? Directed by Mon, ganun?
Creative direction by Mon.
Yes. Andito
Yeah.
siya.
Yeah.
Pakita mo
Yeah.
naman si Mon, ang ating
Creative director.
Ang ganda ng nalabasan ng buong shoot. So, excited na ako na makita niyo guys yung final outfit. So, hindi ko na pahabaan pa to guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this vlog. And thank you so much, Sarah.
Thank you,
sa
Miss
buong
Anna.
team natin today. Until next time guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!
Bye!